Welcome to the weekly promo from 24 Trains TV. Here we give you a preview of 24 Trains TV for subscribers, showing the latest videos. A retro journey is fun when it's to the 60s. From DUACTs in Rotterdam, PCCs in The Hague, and a Diesel 5 to a TEE train set. All the icons of Dutch railways make an appearance in these special archival images. Luxembourg is often a bit of a forgotten railway country, but on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the Luxembourg Railway Company CFL, in 1996, they pulled out all the stops with a rolling stock show featuring not only Luxembourgish trains, but also plenty of international railway equipment. The south of France is a beloved holiday destination, especially for its beautiful railway lines. This time we're traveling from Toulouse via Perpignan to Narbonne, a relaxing journey through a stunning region of France. For those who prefer to stay closer to home, 24 Trains TV also has you covered. A cab ride on the northern branch lines in Friesland offers a fantastic opportunity for that. Vast, peaceful landscapes ensure that you arrive at the end of the journey feeling completely refreshed. Detours due to construction work or accidents are always a perfect reason for train spotters to head out. After all, that's often when you can spot trains on railway lines where you wouldn't normally see them. That's exactly the case here, between Strasbourg and Lutenberg in the east of France. This is a border route, so as a bonus, interesting freight trains pass by. In 1960s France, we take a panoramic coach through the Alps. The vivid, sharp color images almost make you believe you are on board. In Digne, we transfer and find the train of the week, the Chemin de Fer de Provence Autorail. We continue through the fresh alpine meadows. But do you want to experience this journey in its entirety? Then you should quickly become a subscriber to 24 Trains TV, because only there will you find this and more than 5,000 other train videos that are simply irresistible. See you soon.